In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see MetaMask seed phrase. This will help you access your secret recovery phrase, which is essential for wallet recovery. Let's get started. First, open the MetaMask extension in your browser. You will see the MetaMask Fox icon typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. When you click on it, the extension will open, revealing your wallet interface. This interface displays your account balance and transaction history. Make sure you are logged in and that your wallet is unlocked. This is essential because you need to access your wallet to see your seed phrase. If your wallet is locked, you won't be able to proceed further. Next, click the account selector at the top. This selector usually appears as a circular icon with your account's initial or avatar. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showing your accounts, including any additional accounts you may have created. This is the point where you can easily switch between accounts if you have more than one. Selecting the correct account ensures you are viewing the right secret recovery phrase associated with that account. This attention to detail is important for maintaining accurate wallet management. Once that is done, click the three dots next to your account. These dots represent additional options and settings related to your selected account. When you click on these dots, a submenu will open, revealing various actions you can take, including viewing account details. This step is crucial as it leads you to the specific area where you can access your secret recovery phrase. It simplifies the process by consolidating account management options in one place. From there, select account details. This option will take you to a dedicated page containing important information about your account. You will see your account address, QR code, and, most importantly, the option for the secret recovery phrase. Understanding your account details is vital for managing your wallet effectively. It provides a snapshot of your account status and its associated information. Now, click Secret Recovery Phrase. This button is usually prominently displayed on the account details page. Clicking it will initiate the process of revealing your seed phrase. At this point, you may see a warning indicating the importance of keeping your seed phrase private. This is your master key to your wallet and should never be shared. This step is significant because it directly grants you access to the information needed for wallet recovery should you ever need it. Next up, complete the security check if prompted. This may involve a simple verification step to ensure that it is indeed you trying to access this sensitive information. It could be a CAPTCHA or a confirmation message. Completing this step is crucial for your account's security as it prevents unauthorized access to your seed phrase. Always take extra precautions when dealing with sensitive wallet information. After that, enter your MetaMask password. This password is a safeguard to further confirm your identity. Make sure to enter it carefully, as any mistakes could prevent you from accessing your seed phrase. Once you enter the correct password, you will be allowed to proceed. This step is vital because it adds an additional layer of protection to your wallet, ensuring that only you can access your sensitive information. Finally, click and hold to reveal SRP to view your seed phrase. You will see a series of words displayed on the screen, which is your secret recovery phrase. It is crucial to write down this phrase and store it in a safe place. This phrase is necessary for recovering access to your wallet if you ever lose your device or forget your password. Remember, sharing your seed phrase is never safe, as it can lead to unauthorized access to your funds. By following these steps, you have successfully accessed your MetaMask seed phrase. Always remember to keep it secure and private.